In this video, I want to talk about how your photography side hustle can help you retire early. As a matter of fact, any side hustle can help you retire early. Now, this video is really just based on those within the US because of our tax system and our retirement accounts. Also, I'm not a tax advisor. I'm not a retirement advisor. This information that I impart in this video is supposed to educate you to take that information to your accountant, to your retirement advisor, and to question them, to help them advise you to what's best for your needs. Now, when you start your photography side hustle or any side hustle, you're going to be faced with a few challenges right up front. First off, your accounting system and paying taxes. Yes, that dreaded word that nobody likes to hear. Now, in the US, we have what's called tax shelters that we could put pre-tax money into an account that's held until we're of retirement age, and then we get to start withdrawing that money, and that money is taxed at that point. A 401k is a perfect example of a tax shelter. You may have one yourself with the job that you're at. For me, I never worked for an employer that offered a 401k, so I never had that tax shelter advantage. I could only participate in an IRA. That's the one nice thing with having a photography side hustle, or any side hustle for that matter. The IRS allows a one participant business, what's called a one participant 401k. What's a one participant business? A business that's only run and managed by one person, being the owner. So in a photography side hustle, it's more than likely you're never going to have employees. And that being the case, you would qualify for being able to participate in a one participant 401k. If you're not familiar with 401ks, one of the greatest things about them is the amount of money you're able to put in pre-tax into your retirement account. The caps for a 401k currently are $19,000 if you're under the age of 50 per year and $25,000 if you're over 50. The other added benefit of a one participant 401k is when your business makes a profit. Let's say you make $20,000 in profit a year, not gross, but actual profit after all your expenses have been minused out. That $20,000, you can put 20% of that into your retirement account over and above the cap of $19,000 or $25,000 depending on your age. In the course of a year, if you were to make $20,000 in your side hustle and you had already maxed out your retirement account with your $19,000, you could still put in $4,000 above into your retirement account. Now, let's say you're working for somebody, you already have a 401k, and you're maxing out that 401k. That's fine. You can still take the 20%, start another 401k, take the 20% you're earning from your business, and put that in that 401k in addition to the 401k that you have. So combined, you can only do $19,000, the cap that the IRS has set. So let's say you're putting $9,000 into your employer's 401k, you can put $10,000 into your own, plus the 20%. The other tax shelter that you can take advantage of while you're taking advantage of your 401k is an IRA. You can do both at the same time. The max contribution you can make in a year to an IRA if you're under 50 is $5,500, and if you're over 50, $6,500. So you can see there's lots of tax advantages to using these tax shelters. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not a tax advisor, I'm not a retirement advisor, but I do advise you to seek out an accountant right away before you even start your photography side hustle, because they will tell you the right way to set up your business. They will be able to inform you in regards to the information that I've given you here. That way, at the end of the year, when it does come time to pay taxes, you'll have to pay a lot less than you would if you tried to do it all on your own. And then, in the end, hopefully with these tax shelters, you're able to build up a huge sum of money that will allow you to retire a lot earlier than you normally would have if you didn't use these methods. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it did help. And as always, Happy shooting.